Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making a moist, fluffy lemon cake. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, mix flour, baking powder, salt, and cornstarch. In another bowl, beat room temperature butter until it's fluffy and creamy. Add oil, that's vegetable oil, granulated sugar, I didn't have the white one, and the lemon zest. Apologies, my lemon zest is so coarse, like rough. Mix for 2 minutes on medium speed. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients. Gradually add the room temperature eggs, one at a time, beating them for 10 seconds each egg. I would like to welcome the new viewers. Please press the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of new posts. I know you will love it here. Collect from the sides of the bowl and mix with the spatula. Add the room temperature yogurt, followed by milk, then lemon juice. Everything should be at room temperature. Mix just until well combined on medium speed. Sift in the dry ingredients that you've already mixed in a separate bowl. Mix with a spoon or a spatula until there are no lumps. Please do not use a machine from here to avoid overmixing. You may add lemon essence, that's optional, but the lemon zest will be enough to kill the egg smell. A big thank you to my returning subscribers, my family. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Grease the 8-inch baking pans and place a non-stick baking paper at the bottom. Divide the batter between the 2 pans. Try and make it equally divided. If you have a scale, you may use it. Tap the pans to eliminate the air pockets. Sometimes they are stubborn, they sit on the top of the batter. You may pop them using a wooden skewer, a sharp thing like I'm doing, or the tip of the spatula. My oven is small. I had to bake the other cake on the shelf underneath the other one, so the browning will not be the same. Bake for 33 minutes, then cool them for 10 minutes in the pan before taking them out. Run the knife around the pan to loosen the cake before taking it out. Remember, their crumb is tender. Cool them further on a cooling rack. This is where, if you would like to wrap them with a cling foil, you do so and put them in a freezer to make them moist. That is another way, either than drizzling them with syrup or milk. Let's make a lemon curd without an egg. In a pan with the heat off, mix lemon zest, sugar, then add lemon juice and cornstarch. Then stir. Remember, no heat at this point. Add the vanilla extract or essence. Mix, add milk and yellow colourant or turmeric. That's optional. Put on the heat. We're cooking on medium heat and stir until the curd thickens. Once it thickens, remove it from the heat, then add cold butter and stir until it disappears. You may strain the curd into a heat-safe bowl. Then close it with a cling wrap or a baking paper and cool it entirely. Let's make the frosting. In a bowl, add the softened butter, then beat it until it's creamy and fluffy, or until it's pale yellow. Gradually add the powdered sugar, then beat it on low speed first, then increase it to medium speed, then keep on adding until all the sugar is done. This might seem like lots of sugar, but it is not. The powdered sugar is less sweeter than the normal granulated sugar. Please press the like button and leave me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this recipe. Add the firm cream cheese. I found for the first time the lactose-free cream cheese and I was so happy. Then you will follow with vanilla extract or essence, lemon juice, and mix. Please do not mix for long, otherwise it will turn runny. Collect the cream from the attachments and the side of the bowl. Mix with a spatula, then put the cream in a piping bag. Here I was checking if it's mixed well underneath. Place the cake slice on a serving plate or cake stand. Then cut the dome if it has, followed by drizzling it with milk or syrup. If I talk fast, I mix the word, it's a tongue twister. But enza wethu uyezwa. Twist the opening side and hold it firm, then pipe the cream. I should have cut a little bit bigger opening, but as well I like rustic things. Fill the center with the cream, then smoothen it with the back of a spoon or an offset spatula. I would advise that you make another frosting border on the side just to hold the card so it doesn't ooze down or on the sides. Spread the lemon curd on the cake. Please press the like button and leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this recipe. Add the next slice. Repeat the same process, starting with the drizzling of milk, which I forgot, then followed by the frosting. Add the border to help hold the lemon curd. The higher or the bigger the border, the better. I'm so grateful that you've made it up till this far. Thank you so much for watching. You may frost the whole cake if you would like to do so before you put the lemon curd. Set the frosting in the fridge for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Garnish the cake the way you would like to. I have used lime slices just to break the monotony of the lemon, and I was short of the lemons at some point. This is how soft the cake was. Look at how the knife glides when it is cutting. I hope you will enjoy this delicious, easy lemon cake. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.